Hello, students. In this video, we'll walk you through how to successfully take your lab exam. Let's get started. To find your exam, go to the Lab Exam section. Click on your exam. A pop-up will appear details, including the number of questions. Once you are ready, click Start Exam. Before you begin, read the exam guidelines carefully. Once you have read and understood the instructions, click Proceed. As soon as you proceed, the exam will start and the first question will automatically appear on the screen. You can read it and close it. Then the IDE will open. Here, the Visual Coding IDE. On the left side, you can see the number of sections and questions. If you want to view the question again, you can click on the top right corner where it is written as View Question. If you want more space, you can expand the IDE by clicking here. Once you complete your coding, you can click here to go back. To go to the next question, simply scroll down and click on Next. When you move to a new question, it will first appear on the screen. You can read it and then close it to continue your coding. Once you're done, click Next to go to the following question. Now, you are in section 2 with 2 questions. If it is mentioned that you only need to answer 1 out of 2 questions, then answer any one. If it's not mentioned, you must attend all questions. Here you only need to attend 1 question. Once you finish, submit the exam. When you click on Submit Exam, a confirmation message will appear. Just click Submit Exam again to finalize your submission.